Magandang buhay at panigong bagong taon for 2025, mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. Ang atin namang tatalakayin ngayon ay sa Chinese astrology. Ano po ang mga lucky color for each sign? For the dragon-born people, sila po ay isinilang ng 1964, 1976, 1988, year 2000, 2012, and 2026. Ang kanilang lucky color ay gold, silver, and gray. For the year of the tiger, those who are born in 2022, 2010, 1998, 1986, 1974, 1962 ay ang lucky color orange, purple, and gray. And then for the pig, ang people born under this sign where in 1935, 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, and 2019, ang lucky color niyo po ay yellow, gray, brown, and gold. For the horse, ang people born noong 2014, 2002, 1990, 1978, 1966, and 1954, ang lucky color nyo ay red and blue. For the rat, those who were born in 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, 2020, ang lucky color ng rat ay blue, gold, and green. For the ox, those who were born in 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, and 2021, ang lucky color ninyo ay white, yellow, and silver. For the rabbit, born in 1939, 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, 2011, 2023, ang color ninyo na lucky ay pink, purple, and green. For the year of the snake, you were born for the years 1941, 1953, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013, ang inyong lucky color ay black, green, and red. For the goat, who were born 1955, 1943, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, and 2015, ang lucky color ng goat ay green, pink, and white. For the monkey, you were born 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, and 2016, ang lucky color ay white, blue, and gold. For the rooster, you were born in 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017, ang lucky color ng rooster ay yellow, brown, and orange. For the year of the dog, 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006, and 2018, ang lucky color ay red, green, and purple. Thank you for listening to my topics, and alam ko dahil yun ang sabi ng mga literature, ang favorite mo na color ay yan ang birth color mo. Kung wala man dito, I think you should cross it over to the Western zodiac na akin nang ibinigay, and I hope you have listened to it. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It is up to us. Hard work, prayer, dreams, and making them come true are your strategy to make you wealthy, healthy, and happy. Subscription will give you a privilege to be prompted of any new topic that I have. Thank you for subscribing.